Hey guys, how's it going? How to scan QR code on Telegram. So basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and open up the Telegram app. And as you can see right here, this is like your chats and everything. Click on your settings at the below right corner. And what you're gonna do here, you're gonna see the barcode at the top left. Click on it and basically save it to your images, right? By clicking share, and you're gonna be able to save image. And basically go back to your screen, go ahead to your photos, and just click right here the Telegram, and basically just hold the barcode, and you're gonna be able that you can open the user's profile on Telegram, and you're gonna be able to access their profile. Or you can just go back to your screen and just go ahead to your browser. In the browser, what you're gonna do, you can just log in with your Telegram, and basically you're gonna be able to process that QR code, and you're gonna be able to open that profile page on your Telegram. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, turn on the notification bell to receive every video we upload. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.